guys, this is Kelly with Meta Marketing. Sorry I haven't put out videos in quite a while. Some of you may know I've been having some health difficulties, but I'm getting back in the saddle again. So one of my new videos that I wanted to do today was really how to utilize Drift or other chatbots with Pardot. I haven't really seen it used much out in the realm, but I know chatbots are a pretty new thing. They're starting to become the new QR codes marketing. But one of the things that we can do is we can utilize these same chatbots on our Pardot landing pages. So people are coming to our landing pages because we're doing ad spend and we're trying to get their contact information. One of the quickest way to get someone's contact information is just to have a chatbot pop right up on their page saying, how can I help you? Do you have questions about this, whatever your landing page is, this promo book or this white paper or this video? And people will gladly type right in there because it's instant gratification, instant questions asked. So you can sign up for a free Drift account. To be honest, I sign up for a free Drift account. I have both the free one for my personal stuff, but for my company, I have the paid one. And there's a lot of really cool things you can do with the paid Drift account. But I'm just going to show you for a free Drift account how we can implement that on Pardot. Again, just because we're trying to get that email address, we're trying to engage with our prospects. So if we jump over to Drift, you can sign up for a free Drift account, and we want to go down to the settings area. I'll let that load. Okay, so from the settings, we want to go to app settings, and then we want to go down to our chat widget. So right now I do have my chat widget, and I'm not going to go through the Drift on how to set up a chat widget. It's honestly super easy. They'll walk you through it, but I do want to show you how to set this up on Pardot. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the install. And so you can install this on WordPress. If you have Shopify, Drupal, Segment, you can install it. Or what we're going to do is just grab the straight JavaScript code and put it on our particular landing pages that we want to use this with. So once you click on that, we're going to go ahead and copy this JavaScript, and we're going to have to place it in the header of the landing page. So if I jump over to my training instance and I go to marketing, landing pages, and back to landing pages, I'm just going to use this blog landing page as an example. So we can click on this real quick, and you'll notice it's a template that I have, and nothing else is on here. So I'm going to go to the layout template. Anytime we want to add code, we're going to add code on the layout template within Pardot. So let's jump to this layout template. Let's go ahead and edit layout template. And then we want to make sure that this stays within the head tag. So I'm actually going to go right underneath the script right here, and I'm going to put in the Drift script code. And I'm going to go ahead and press save. Awesome. So now once I go back here and I hit refresh, we're going to see a little chat box pop up. There it is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead, because they do have my email address already, I'm going to go ahead and copy this up here, and I'm going to do a new incognito tab. And then I'm going to add this. And so you'll see the little chat box right here. And it shows that I'm running a discount on my Pardot training course. I have a question on your discount. And so it says we're excited to help you out. Let us know your email address so we can follow up in case we get disconnected. So right within here, this person has a question. They're going to go ahead and give us their email address, so that way they can continue to leave us a message. It's pretty awesome. So, definitely check it out. Sign up for a free Drift account. You can't go wrong with free. And definitely use it to make your Pardot landing pages more engaging with your prospects.